China just dropped a new open-source AI model, and it is shaking up the entire coding world. This is GLM 5.2. Released by ZAI with fully open, MIT license weights, GLM 5.2 is built for one thing above all: long-horizon coding and agentic tasks. And it ships with a massive 1 million token context window. That huge context is not just a number. It means the model can hold an entire large code base, a full debugging session, or a multi-step research task in its head at once, without losing the thread. It comes in 2 reasoning levels. GLM 5.2 Max pushes performance to the limit. GLM 5.2 High strikes a balance between quality and token efficiency. But the headline is the benchmarks. On SWE-bench Pro, GLM 5.2 scores 62.1, beating GPT 5.5's 58.6. On Terminal Bench, it hits 81, just 4 points behind Claude Opus 4.8. And on FrontierSWE, 74.4%, nearly tied with Opus. In CodeArena's Frontend leaderboard, GLM 5.2 Max ranks number 2, behind only Fable 5, and 29 points ahead of Opus 4.7. It tops nearly every subcategory: branding, design, data, gaming, and simulations. In the agent arena, which measures millions of real long-horizon agentic tasks, GLM 5.2 ranks number 10 overall, and the number 1 open model by a wide margin. It even ties for first at avoiding tool hallucination. And app development? GLM jumped from 21 out of 70 on version 5.1 to 48 out of 70 on 5.2. That is more than double, closing in on Fable 5's 56. Now the part that really matters: cost. Watch this. Asked to build the same landing page, GLM on the left, Opus on the right, and you genuinely cannot tell which is which. Except GLM cost 6 cents. Opus cost 49. 6 times cheaper, faster, and more token efficient. Same story with dashboards. GLM versus Opus, and GLM arguably has the better taste. It was 15 times cheaper, and 6 times faster. GLM 5.2 keeps the same price as 5.1, $1.40 in, for $40 out, per million tokens. And because the weights are open, you can run it for free through providers like Llama's Cloud and ZAI, in Claude Code, Klein, Cursor, or any OpenAI-compatible client. The takeaway is simple. Open source AI is no longer playing catch-up. With a 1 million token context, frontier coding scores, and a fraction of the cost, GLM 5.2 is one of the biggest model releases of the year. If you build with AI, this is one to watch. Follow for more, and drop a comment: would you switch to open source?